What's up, guys? Apex3639 here, along with my bro Alec.
What's up?
So what we're gonna do is this is gonna be a video reaction to how to delete Facebook Messenger, but it's not really much of like a reaction. It's just more like adding comments. Yes, I have just been shushed. All right. So, like I said, this one is called How to Delete Facebook Messenger. So here we go with the comments.
What's that? Oh, it's Facebook Messenger.
Fuck me, it's Messenger.
This piece of shit ruined my life.
Yes, it
I'm
did.
killing this dude.
Go to hell, Messenger. Oh shit, it's Mark Zuckerberg. He's ugly.
Get out of here.
Oh fuck. Okay, I can deal with a little bit more of Messenger. Oh fuck. I am screwed.
I fucked up.
Yep. It was at this moment I realized he fucked up.
Oh no!
Oh, Mark Zuckerberg is so fucking ugly. Yeah.
He's on his knees, he can't take it.
No. The only thing he can take is a giant dick up his mouth. Woo!
And Mark Zuckerberg is laughing at him while he's choking.
Yep, most likely.
Mind control.
Yep.
He's choking How to Basic.
Yep.
What's this?
Wait.
A phone call? In the middle of a How to Basic video?
That's really unusual, isn't it?
He thought he turned his phone off. And now he realizes it's Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg is calling How to Basic.
Now he likes Mark Zuckerberg. Wants to see what he has to say.
Nope.
Now he doesn't like Mark Zuckerberg.
Nope.
Now he wants to kill him.
Yep.
He's ending this.
He wants to end the war between Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook Messenger.
He wants to make something good out of his life.
Feel my piss.
It's over.
Oh fuck!
Nope.
Oh shit. Seizure time.
And that was How to Basic's last words. Mark Zuckerberg
Is
defeated
dead.
How to Basic.
He's dead. Rest in peace.
Basically, yes.
Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video and our reactions / comments, and subscribe.